Okay, I wanted to do a quick video to share the contents of the 31 kit. I did make this an option for people to purchase, but at the time only one person was interested, so that's why I only have one. And what'd you say?
I said I earned that.
Sorry. Okay, so sorry guys, hold on just a second. Sorry about that. I was playing football with a friend. Earned candy. Alright, so this collection, these were the first set of resin pieces that I created. So I used one of the larger cut-aparts from the 12 by 12 of the 31 collection. So there's those. There are a few flowers. Let's see. Then there is this ribbon. There's black eyelash trim, that pink Chanel top, and then some gold star trim. And then there are a few rosettes. I made the bigger ones, and then I actually shared the small ones from a package I received from Christina, KG Crafts. And then I put it in the freezer. A pack of the Enamel Dot mix I made to match. A little pack of foam and then glittered foam stickers to embellish with. This is the Sequin mix. And then the other, I definitely recycled this packaging. This also came from Christina, who's KG Crafts. She sent her kits in these. So I took my goodies out and thought it would be fun to recycle. So bottom part has a bead mix where I've shared some of my beads with her, and I thought would go with this collection. And then the top part are like embellishments and charms. So there's a bow, and then these are some of those spider with the gems. That one has an orange gem, I believe, but this one I took it off because it was blue and put a little pink pearl bud on him. And like I said, other charms, some little flat backs and buttons and gold spiders. And then there's like this little puffy heart that's like pastels. I need to fix that tape on that one. And then, let's see, there's one pack of the ephemera. The other pack of the ephemera for the collection. The puffy stickers. And the 6x6 paper pad. So yeah, that was the 31 collection that I put together. And I'll be sending it to Miss Lauren pretty soon. And yeah, I hope she enjoys what I created for her. And yeah, this was technically my very first kit. So I wanted to share that one. My Hey Pumpkin kit was, I said it was my first, but this one was actually the very first one. Only one of them. So yeah, I wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know what you think. I don't have the stuff now to make these kits, but I still would like to know, would you have ordered this kit? Just curious. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.